Max is going to play right. Sean Kennedy's going to play on the left side here, with Ryan Keller up front and Sean McGrath playing in the hole. We're just ready to go there. And we're just waiting on the referee now to blow the whistle to start the game. Again, just waiting on him to blow the whistle and we start again. The breeze is with Kerry in the first half. And the referee blows his whistle and we're off. Long ball in there, over the head, headed by Rob Vasu. Kyo was on the ball there. Throw in there to Finn Harps. The ball's come across the box and Kevin Williams gets it clear. And throw into Finn Harps just inside their own half there. Just 5 yards in from the halfway line. Again. Throw in, Daniel Akute just knocks it out, so it's throw into Kerry. Rob Vasu will take the throw. Referee's just telling him to get back a little bit. Should be a very long throw here. Oh, he's gone short. Free kick to Kerry there. Flood just is taking Keane Barrett down there. Sam Lessie with the corner. In for Rob Vasu and cleared. Throw into Kerry. Just down by the corner flag there. Again, great attendance here. 1,600 people here. And we have the fans underneath us here. Back to Sam. Sam crosses, but Finn Harps clear it. Kevin Williams wins the ball there up to Ryan Keller, who holds it up. It's cleared. And it's a corner ball. Corner ball. Nearly in there for Sean McGrath. And again with the wind, this ball will have to be put in on top of the goalkeeper. We got the big man up from the back, Kevin and Sam. They go short to Sean McGrath. Sean McGrath still has the ball. He's gone around the houses. Falls down. Sean Kennedy on it now. Looking to pass it. Plays it back then to Rob Vasu. Rob's looking for a long ball in for Sean Kennedy. Sean Kennedy should get this. Should get back heels, but it's come to Finn Harps. The win there is hold the ball up in the air. Well won. And Rob Vasu on the ball. He knocks it long here, and the goalkeeper from Finn Harps has the ball, and he's thrown quickly out to Porter. Porter knocks it on, and Nolly Hannafin wins it. The ball for Kerry is thrown to Finn Harps. Porter will be on it again. Porter then looking to throw it down the line for Daniel Akute, and the ball is cleared again. Porter waits on the ball there. This is going over the stand. Have an extra ball here. Kerry everyone in their own half there, every man behind the ball. And it's a Kerry throw now. So Nolly Hannafin will throw this. It's cleared by Finn Harps. Sam wins the ball in the air, and it comes to Rob Vasu. Rob Vasu takes a touch and goes inside and looks for the long ball in there for Ryan Keller to run on, but he's offside. Good ideas from Kerry FC. Nice play of the ball. So Elliot Farrer is just to take the free kick. Again, if it goes high, it's going to hold up in the air. So he does, he knocks it long, and that's going to hold up in the air, looking for De Silva. Kevin Williams wins that. Ryan Kelleher wins it in the air. A little bit of a nudge in the back, but he got away with it. Sean Kennedy then. Long ball in then by Keane Barrett for Rob Vasu to run onto it. Rob is pretty quick, but comes across there, Baba, and clears the ball for a throw to Kerry. Just ball taken quickly for Sean McGrath. And he gives a Kerry throw. Keane Barra's looking for the ball. Oh, it goes to Ryan Keller. Ryan Keller is going to put a cross in here. And Finn Harps clear again by Baba. Again, nice low cross. Could go anywhere, but it's well cleared. And it's throw in from Kerry. Again, just alongside the 18-yard box of Finn Harps, and it's going to be a long throw in there, and it's cleared by Finn Harps again. De Silva tries to get it, and so does Ronan Tehan, and Ronan Tehan gives away for a free kick for an arm pull. Finn Harps slow it down, and the goalkeeper is going to take the free kick. Kerry retreat just into their own half again, just drop behind the ball. Again, long kick out by the keeper, held up in the wind. Free kick to Kerry there, foul on Keane Barrett. Here is strong again, and just the ball's held up in the wind, and unfortunately he hasn't read the ball, and he's just fouled Keane Barrett there. Quick free kick to Wayne Guthrie. The referee's not happy with it. So again, Wayne Guthrie's going to take this free kick. Long ball in, again looking for the ball over the top, but well won by Finn Harps. Silver looking to get on it here, and Nonny Hamilton is going to hit. We have Sean McGrath looking for the ball, but the ball goes out for Finn Harps. Throwing. Well won by Nonny Hamilton into Sam. Sam's looking for a long ball again over the top, but it's just gone out for a throw into Finn Harps. Farrow will take this throw. He's about 10 in from his own goal line there. And he's going to take the throw. Throw's going to go down the line. Looking for Daniel Akute. Keane Barrett wins that head, even though Sam did shout for it there. Kevin Williams done very well, but unlucky. Sean Kennedy there just turned us back on the ball. Again, short throw in, gets it back off the thrower. Goalkeeper gets it back, and he's going to kick it long. And that's going to hold up in the wind, and it's going out for a throw. Good pressure by Sean McGrath there. It's give and go by Sean McGrath, Sean Kennedy, but comes to nothing. Finn Harps on the ball there. We've got long ball in again. De Silva tries to win it, but Nani Hannafin has won that. Porter on the ball now. Just looking for someone to throw it. Akute goes down the line. De Silva goes down. It goes down the line to Akute. He's closely marked by Kevin Williams. Long again from Wayne Guthrie. One in the air by Finn Harps. Down the line for Daniel to get onto it. Sam fluffs his lines a little bit, but got it clear. Throw in there into the box. Daniel Cute on it there, and it's cleared there by Kevin Williams. Header by Ryan Flood, but it's saved. So we've 12 minutes gone, and it's still 0-0. No shots to speak of at the moment. A lot of ball played in midfield. A lot of long balls in. Right. Again, there's a little bit of a melee there. Ryan Kelleher has a high foot there, and he's going to get booked there. But Keane Barrett looks like he's being struck by Ryan Flood there. So let's see what happens here. Referee's just taking a breath to think about what he's going to do. And he's just going to give a free kick to Finn Harps. No bookings, which is good. Long ball in again, that'll hold up in the wind. Harris wins the header, but it's gone out for a throw to Kerry. Well, Vasu throws it, and Keane Barrett then just knocks it out then for throw to Finn Harps in the Kerry half now. Every Kerry player inside their own half. Every Finn Harps player in Kerry's half as well. Finn Harps go back to their centre half. Back to the goalkeeper. He's going to look for options, but I think he's gone short. That ball's holding up in the wind. Nani Hannafin wins the header and then clears the ball, throwing to Finn Harps. Again, 0-0, 13 minutes gone. Good start for both teams. Throw in there for Porter. De Silva has got the ball to his feet. Back to Porter again, cross in the box, and Wayne Guthrie wins that. Looks for his options then. Looks like he's going to kick it long. Looking for Ryan Keller again to nod it on. And long kick there by Porter. Porter wins the header again, and it's a free kick there. Ronan Tehan gives away the free kick. This wind is causing havoc for Finn Harps at the moment. They're trying to clear the ball, and the ball's holding up in the wind. Again, the goalkeeper with a kick out, looking long. Looks like the left hand side. It's gone down the left hand side and changes it to the right. It's Harris against Vasu. Harris is inside him, and he's going to have a shot, and that just goes wide. It's a good goal. Comes in playing on the left, but he keeps coming inside and gets off a shot there. Might have took a deflection, but goal referee has given the goal kick there to Kerry. Good switch of play by the goalkeeper, and left Harris one-on-one with Vasu. Was unlucky not to score or not to get a shot on target even. Header by Kelleher again from Sean Kennedy. They're looking to get through here, and knocks it back to the goalkeeper by Ba. Porter's on it now. Loads of room, just knocks it long, and Nonny Hannigan picks that up. Roman Teen clears it there, and Kerry again are pushing high and trying to get the play. Goalkeeper has the ball. Long kick out again towards Harris. Vasu wins the ball and goes out for a Finn Harps throw. Sorry to all the people there that are watching it. It keeps freezing here on us, so we're just having a few technical difficulties, but we have it sorted, we think. Sam wins the ball there. Sam Alessi wins the ball there, and looking for Daniel Akute again. Sam is right up close to him. Rob Vasu clears for a throw in again. Long throw in there for the Silva. And Wayne Guthrie has the ball. Like Kevin Williams has shadowed him off the ball there, using strength. Like Kevin has lots of strength. It's gone again. Ball's one in the air there. Finn Harris again. Harris again looking for a Akute, and Sam has given a job to man Markham and clears the ball again. Short throw in there, gets it back. Kerry are hassling, looking to put the pressure on Finn Harps, and Finn Harps has done well to play the ball out of the fence into midfield. The switch is on, he plays the ball. Again with the wind, it's very hard to play the ball. Kevin Williams again clears the ball, and Nonny Hannison does the same thing. Tackle there by Nonny Hannison. Oh, free kick to Kerry there, off the challenge there by Porter, I think, and just both players are down at the minute. Again, we apologise for it. The game freezing if we're having issues there. Wayne Guthrie has the ball, and we're going to have a long kick out, or long free kick by Wayne. Long ball in, looking for Leo Gaxett. The Silver wins it in the air. Up for Daniel Akute. Kevin Williams is there again. Long ball in for Nonny. Nonny just gone over the ball. Bit of pressure there by Ryan Kelleher. Sean McGrath has it there. Leo Gaxett's on the ball. Oh, and he just puts it wide. That was well worked, and a bit of pressure. Just a little bit off target there from Leo Gaxett. Finn Harps play the ball. Play out from the back. Long ball then from Porter. Free throw in there for Nonny Hannison, or free kick, sorry. He's put it down. He's played it quickly. Sean McGrath is trying to get on the ball. And clearance there by McCallan. Again, we're 19 minutes in and we're still 0-0. Fourth chance really, second chance really of the game. Finn Harps had one which went wide of the post, and Leo Gaxa has done the same thing. Shot and a save by the keeper from Ronan Tehan. What a save. Shot on target from Kerry. Long ball in again for the Silva to head on for Akute to get onto it. He's trying to hold the ball up and Kevin Williams is tight to him. He's got turned on Kevin Williams, but Samuel he's come across and put in a sliding tackle, and ball's gone for Finn Harps throw. Again, two Kerry men chasing down the ball there. Porter again with the throw. Come short. So Silva looking for it down the line. Gets it now. Free kick is given to Finn Harps. Looked like the other way, but Finn Harps have got the free kick. Dangerous area now for a ball to be put into the box. Big sent pass coming up from the back. Callian and Baba up from the back. Silva's in there. There's two over the ball there. Two Kerry man wall. But he organises his troops there in goal. Whipped into the box. Head away there by Ronan Tehan, we think. Nonny Hannafin, sorry. And Sean Kennedy gets on the ball and is intercepted, and the ball's gone out for a throw. Sean Kennedy gets the ball, passes it to Daniel Akute. Finn Harps switch to the Silver. Nonny Hannafin is going to get close to him here. It's gone back off a Kerry player there, which is Leo Gaxa. Throw then from Porter down to the Silva again. Silva back to Porter. Porter looking to do a bit of skill. Back to the Silva, kicks off. Kicks it off. Looked like Sean McGrath, and comes back off the Silva and goes out for a kick out. And Guthrie here again. No play now from the back from Kerry today. It's just get the ball long. Long kick out there, looking for Ryan Kelleher to nod it on. McCallion beat him in the air. Daniel Akute to run at the Kerry defence. He backheels it, has a shot, and just wide the post. Again, Daniel there, the ball was headed. He got a run on the two Kerry lads. Just got the turn and had a quick shot. Don't think Wayne Guthrie was worried about it, but it wasn't that far shy of curling in from the far post. Good game so far. 23 minutes gone, still 0-0. Chances, few chances now. They're coming. One in the air there by Ryan Kelleher. Baba again clears the ball for a throw into Kerry. Kennedy to Vasu. Sam Lacey again with Daniel Akute on his hip there, and Sam has to clear the ball for throwing to Finn Harps. Finn Harps throw there. Rob Vasu wins it, just comes off the back. And Sam again just clears the ball away from Daniel Akute. Finn Harps is danger man, as long as Harris and the Silva there playing very high when they have the ball. Kevin Williams organising the Kerry back four. Ronan Tehan in the middle with Keane Barrett. The ball is up in the air again, which is going to hold up the winners there. Ronnie Hannafin, poor touch there, but he got away with it. He got it very away with it. But midfield for Finn Harps. This is Daniel Acute now on the ball. Puts the ball in across. Wayne Guthrie punches away. And Sean Kennedy then clears the ball. Comes back to Finn Harps. Midfield then, gone to Baba. We have a second ball on the pitch and nothing has been done about it. And he's throwing there.
He knew it, look, he knew it was there.
Throwing there.
So if we broke, he had to stop the game. And they could have scored a 4 minutes more.
Long throw coming in here from Finn Harps. Been wrong a couple of times, so he might go short. But it looks like it's going to be a long throw in. They're looking to use a set piece here. Cleared there by Sam. Daniel Cute on it. And look, crosses poor. Lonnie just launches the ball along for Ryan Kelleher to chase. The goalkeeper has gone back onto his line and the ball goes out for a kick out to Finn Harps there. Kerry gets it back into their 4-5-1. And Finn Harps play out here from the back. Baba's on the ball. Gone across then to McCallion. Porter's headed up to make it a 2v1 there. The ball is played for De Silva to get onto it. Sam as he should clear. Pause for a second and knew what he was up to, but has just cleared the ball. Again, throw in for Finn Harps, looking for it down the line. Ronan Tehan, a little bit of skill and a little bit of skill again, and now clear the ball. Ryan Kelleher tries to hold it up. Sean Kennedy keeps it. He's given the handball against Sean Kennedy. Don't think the referee seen it. I think he went with his assistant there. Yeah. Free kick for Finn Harps. Good chance to get it into the box again. Kyo is over it there. And Flood is over here. Two men in the wall then for Kerry. Kerry on the 18-yard box. They have De Silva, have the two guys at the back. The ball is curled in for a header. Oh. And it's been saved by Wayne Guthrie. But Daniel Acute just there to poke the ball home, and Shane Guthrie just got his hand on it and saved it there. Good ball in from Finn Harps into the box. Kick out again, long high kick out for Sean Kennedy, to try win it, but hasn't got it. Rob Vasu wins the ball back for Kerry into Tehan. Nice play, but unlucky. Challenged by Keane Barrett, and Keane Barrett is gonna getting a talking to here, maybe even the yellow card. Now it's a melee in the middle of the pitch, and guys have to be taken away, like, you know. A little bit of pushing and shoving here. The referee is going to sort it there. Referee there is going to talk to Keane Barrett. Again, just had the referee is very sensible. He's just had a chat with both players, just telling them to calm down a small bit. It's good refereeing. Again, some referees here would brandish a card, and the two lads would have cards and be worried about the rest of the game, but referee just tells them to calm down. Hold on. Free kick came to nothing there. Wayne Guthrie has caught the ball in the air, and then it's gone. He's walking around his area. You know what he's going to do. He's just going to kick the ball long, and we see can we win that ball in the air, and try get Ryan Kelleher to win the ball in the air, and try get around them, get Gaxa and McGrath. Winner there. Harris has beaten Rob Vassar to the ball, but he slips there. Kennedy's on the ball now, looking to play in. Barrett's trying to fire the ball in, but it's come to nothing again. De Silva is very good on the ball, very good on the ball. He's played Akute in, but again, Kevin Williams and Sam have marshalled Daniel all right. Again, De Silva very skillful on the ball, looking to play the ball into the area. He's looking for the ball again. He's got it again. The cross is going to come in. Now Kerry have got him around him. Now he's given a free kick, and he's given it against De Silva to Kerry. The crowd appreciate that one. Good battling by the two Kerry lads, and snuffed out the danger by De Silva. Again, we have a free kick there. Wayne Guthrie is just going to knock it long. We're going to try get Ryan Kelleher on the ball and then walk around that. Finn Harps have won the ball in the air. Kevin Williams again on the ball. It's Sean Kennedy now. It's back here to Sam. Sam has played the ball into and good passage of play by Kerry. A little bit passing there. Ball's gone long in there for Gaxa. Gaxa will get it. There's two boys in the box, but he will get a corner kick there. Good defending there by Porter. 42 minutes gone, still 0-0. We have an injury down there, and Kerry are going to take a corner kick. He's up on his feet. He's not great. McCallion, the ball comes in, headed clear by Finn Harps, and Finn Harps have got the ball. One back again. Keane Barrett's on the ball, looking to play McGrath, looking to play Vasu. Vasu has it here. He has to go back to Barrett. Barrett's looking for a pass option. He can't play it. He goes back to Sam. Sam down the line then again to Vasu. Vasu turns, but unlucky there by Vasu. And it's a throw in there to Finn Harps. Throw in there by Finn Harps. Long throw again. Sam is beating Daniel Akute to the ball. Sean McGrath is on it. Ronan Tehan's on it. Play Sean Kennedy gets it there. Looking for Ryan Keller. Right. Rob Vasu now with the throw into Ryan Keller. Ryan Keller controls it for Sean McGrath, but Babas used all of the experience there. Again, Sam and Daniel to get Daniel Akute together again. This time Daniel uses his strength, holds off Sam, and Sam has to foul him. Referee gives a free kick. Free kick in, looking for the Silver. Silver takes it, control, knocks it back. Flood has had it shot, but it's just come back off the Kerry defender. Finn Harps now trying to keep the ball and play on. Looking for the Silver again. Kevin Williams has been brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Hold up. Long ball by Flood again, but the Silver has fouled Nonny Hennison there, and to free out to Kerry. 35 minutes gone. Again, still 0-0. Keepers had a few chances, a few saves to do, and there's a few chances from both teams, but still 0-0. Again, full house at Mount Hawk Park, cheering on the Kerry team, and we have a few away supporters in the east end there. Long kick in the air by Baba, controlled by Kelleher. Good control. He's slipped him in. Gaxa puts the ball across, and it's 1-0 to Kerry. Kerry have scored. It's Sean McGrath who has scored the goal. Sean McGrath has scored the goal. Well played here by Ryan Keller. Slipped the ball in to Leo Gaxa, and again he didn't panic. Puts the ball across the box, low across the box. And there was Sean McGrath just to tap it in. He didn't drill it. It just was nicely placed across the box into that area, and they've scored from it. Good control again. Look at that control by Ryan. Puts across. Leo Gaxa, first touch, across the ball, and Sean McGrath is in there to score. And it's goal. Kerry, it's 1-0. 35 minutes gone and it's 1-0. Long ball there, looking for the silver to head it on. Porter is there, but it's a free kick then to Nonny Hannafin. And a booking there for Nonny Hannafin as well. You know. Again, probably a little bit of a switch off by Kerry after the kickoff. Long ball played, cross for De Silva. De Silva tries to win it. Nonny Hannafin has cleared the ball. And again, Porter is just knew where it was coming, and Nonny Hannafin has just fouled there. I think the referee, instead of having a chat to him there, just had to give a yellow card. And cross in now into the box. Good ball in. Good clearance again by Ryan Kelleher. Rob Vasu then on the ball here. Challenged by Daniel Akute. Looked like it went in by studs. Both the referee has been surrounded by Kerry players asking him how can he go in with his studs, his high studs. Referee again just ignores the Kerry lads and says it's a throw-in. Now he's asking Rob Basu if he's alright. Again, Rob and Daniel Akute from Harps. Daniel Akute from Kerry knows all about Rob, and Rob knows all about Daniel Akute. Just looked like he went with his studs up. And Rob seems to be fine. Throw in there, long throw by Sam. That's it. Sean Kennedy wins it in the air. Sean McGrath holds it up and looks to play wide to Nonny Hannafin. Nobody out on the left for Kerry. Leo Gaxa gets out there. Ball in for Leo Gaxa. Leo will hold it up, looking to play it back to Nonny Hannafin. Nonny Hannafin does go long, and it's one in the air by Porter, and it's a throw into Kerry. Into Kerry here from Jonathan. Nonny Hannafin. He's looking to go long throw in. Kerry boys move in. The ball is won by McCallion, and it's a throw in then to Kerry again. Everyone in Finn Harps' half. Rob Vassar just jogs back, knows how quick Daniel Kute is. Ball goes into the box, and it's cleared by McCallion for Kerry. Corner. Lads, again, we apologise for the streaming. It's just we're having a few technical issues and trying to fix them as we go. So again, we apologise. Corner kick taken here by Leo Gaxa. Cross in there, looking for Sam and Lacey, but Sam has just headed the ball wide. Again, the silver was on him and done a good marking job on it. Again, long kick here from the Finn Harps goalkeeper, Tim Hammett. Looks like it's going down the right side where all the players are over on the right side. He kicks the ball, but it's been headed. It's been headed by Leo Gaxa, and it's a throw in to Finn Harps. Porter on the ball now. 4 minutes left in the first half. Kerry leading 1-0. Jonathan Hannafin, no messing today. Just everything is in the air and everything is going. Again, everything in the air by Finn Harps. Sam Alessi wins the ball. Now it's Harris. Harris is good, but he's being closed down by Sean Kennedy. Rob Vasu runs with the ball, looking for that long diagonal ball. Unlucky. Again, winning in the air by Flood. It looks like Kelleher has gone down. Looks like it's an elbow, or is it hand into the face, we think. Kerry physios are on. Keane Barrett looks like it's down. Kyo's gone over to the bench just to get a few instructions of Finn Harps there. Again, second half we think Finn Harps will play. They'll play with the wind, but they'll play the ball on the ground and just looks to pop it into the Silva and pop it into Harris on the wide guys for a Kute to get into the box. Again, they're playing against the wind at the moment and everything seems to be clear and high, and it's just holding up in the wind. Keane Barrett's just received his attention now and is just waiting to come back on when the referee allows him. It's going to be a drop ball to Finn Harps there. And we're playing again. Long ball up for a Kute. Sam has been there and has got in front of him there and used his strength. Ryan Kelleher tries to win the ball. Both centre halves have lost it there. Leo Gax is on the ball. Leo's going to play it. I know he has a shot and it's hit Baba, I think. It's hit Baba. Leo Gax again on the ball, but the Silva has put it out for the throw. Good pressure by Kerry again just before the end of the half. I think the ball was better off out to Sean McGrath, but Leo top hour and went for the shot. Long throw in there, won by Finn Harps in the air again. They've been very good in defence in the air. Again, won by the Silva, won by Tehan. Ball goes for a throw there. Off Farah. Throw in there. The referee's given a free kick against. Looks like it's Baba that is barreled into the back of Ryan Kelleher. And it's a free in the dangerous area. If the cross comes in high, there's a good percentage that Finn Harps will clear the ball because they've been very good in the air. Where if it comes on the ground, we think Kerry might have a better chance of scoring if it's low and hard. But we'll see what happens here. Ball's going to come across. Yep. at the corner. Corner
Additional
flag.
time, 1 minute. 1 minute additional
1 minute of additional time.
Sounded.
So
I heard the guy say it.
this might be the last attack of the game in the very first half. Cross in, comes in high. De Silva has shielded Sam Lacey off the ball, and it's a kick out to Finn Harps. Long kick out coming out, and we think the referee might blow it up for half time. Long kick out again, held up in the wind. Referee blows it for half time, as we thought he would. Half time. Kerry won. Finn Harps nil at the moment, and it's been very good, entertaining game. It looks like, as we said, Finn Harps will play with the wind in the second half and will play the ball on the ground, and Kerry are against the wind, so we might see a few long balls